Introducing the new PRO-LOGIX PL6850 from Clore Automotive. The PL6850 can be used with both 12 and 24 volt systems. The unit can output up to 120 amps of clean continuous power and uses a 20 amp 120 volt plug. The voltage output can be adjusted from 13.1 to 14.9 volts in 0.1 volt increments. The unit was tested measuring the output voltage at the end of the clamp to ensure no voltage loss from the displayed setting to what the vehicle is actually receiving. This is accomplished by using 13-foot 2-gauge cables with heavy-duty angled clamps and welding-style male cable ends. Both the clamps and the male cable ends are easily replaceable. The unit can be used to properly charge standard, AGM, and lithium iron phosphate batteries, and like all PRO-LOGIX chargers, is effective even on totally dead batteries using the forced start mode. The PL6850 includes a handle kit that was designed and tested by technicians to make transporting the unit effortless. The new PRO-LOGIX PL6850 from Clore Automotive.